Are you a small business owner feeling overwhelmed by online advertising? What if there was an AI-powered solution that could find your most valuable customers across all of Microsoft's channels, all from a single campaign? The answer is Microsoft Ads Performance Max. This isn't just another ad platform. It's a game changer for growth, especially for businesses with limited resources. Set the promise. I'll demystify Performance Max, showing you exactly how it works, its incredible benefits, and how you can leverage it to drive significant growth for your business. We'll cut through the jargon and provide clear, actionable insights to help you get started and succeed. Why Performance Max is a game changer. Microsoft Ads Performance Max is a powerful goal-based campaign type designed to help advertisers maximize conversions across all Microsoft advertising inventory. Think of it as an all-in-one solution that uses advanced machine learning to find the right customers at the right moment, freeing you from manual optimization. What exactly is Performance Max? At its core, it's an automated campaign type that leverages artificial intelligence to optimize your ad spend. You provide your conversion goals, budgets, and a collection of ad assets like headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. Microsoft's AI then takes over, dynamically generating ads and placing them across the entire Microsoft Ads network, including Microsoft Search Network, Microsoft Audience Network, Microsoft Shopping, Microsoft Discover Feed, and LinkedIn. The AI continuously learns from every interaction, identifying which combinations of assets, audiences, and channels deliver the best results for your goals. Then, shifts budget and optimizes in real time. This means less manual work for you and potentially higher returns on your ad spend. Overlooking Microsoft Ads is a mistake. Millions use Bing, MSN, Outlook.com, and crucially, engage with LinkedIn professionally. Bing users tend to be slightly older, more affluent, and often have higher disposable incomes. The LinkedIn integration is a unique differentiator, allowing precision targeting for B2B businesses. It's about diversifying your reach and tapping into audiences your competitors might be missing. Unlocking unprecedented reach and efficiency. The true power of Performance Max lies in combining broad reach with remarkable efficiency. Reaching customers across the Microsoft ecosystem, imagine a single campaign where your ads appear on search results when people actively search for you, visual feeds blending into content on MSN or Outlook.com, shopping tabs showcasing your products directly, video platforms engaging through visual storytelling, professional networks reaching decision makers on LinkedIn. This omnipresence approach increases brand visibility and captures customer interest at various stages of their buying journey. Key benefits for small businesses and beginners. Performance Max addresses the pain points faced by small businesses. Simplicity for non-technical users. Digital advertising can be intimidating. Performance Max flattens the learning curve. You simply define your goals, provide your assets, and set your budget. The AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on running your business. This democratization of advanced advertising technology is a game changer. Access to undeserved audiences is integration with LinkedIn that is incredibly powerful for B2B. You can target specific job titles, industries, and company sizes. This means less wasted ad spend and more highly qualified leads. Beyond LinkedIn, Microsoft Ads often attracts a distinct audience, allowing you to tap into a less contested pool of customers. PMax is meticulously engineered to deliver more sales, more leads, and more signups with less manual effort. It becomes your most diligent employee. tirelessly working to find and convert customers, allowing you to scale your business without scaling your workload. Actionable strategies to master Performance Max. While the AI does much, your input is crucial. Crafting compelling asset groups. Your asset groups are the building blocks. Provide diverse, high-quality elements including headlines and descriptions. Write multiple variations. Concise, outcome-focused. Incorporate keywords. Images to be diverse, high resolution, clear and vibrant. Upload engaging videos, even short ones. Add your business name and logo. More diverse assets give the AI more options to create relevant ads. To wrap it up, Microsoft Ads PMax campaigns represent a significant leap forward, especially for small business owners and those new to digital advertising. It's an AI-driven solution that simplifies complexity, maximizes your reach across the vast Microsoft ecosystem, and optimizes your budget for unprecedented efficiency. Don't let the fear of complex advertising hold your business back. Embrace the power of PMax. Start by defining your goals, gathering your best creative assets, and launching your first campaign with confidence. The future of efficient digital advertising is here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.